Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new Instagram map feature and how to use it. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So Instagram now have a searchable map where it allows users to explore popular tagged locations around them and filter locations by specific categories, including restaurants, cafes, and beauty salons. With this new update, users can search the map, access filtering options, and move the map around to look what is nearby. So there are two ways which you can use Instagram map feature. You can discover a new place by tapping location tags in a post, on your feed, or in your stories, or the second way is to use the explore page. So let me show you how to use it. Before you begin, let's update your Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Play Store. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now tap on search to access your explore page. Then search for a location in your area or a place which you're interested in. Once the results appear, tap on the Places tab at the top right. Then select your location from this page. This will then show you a map of the place you search, and below that you have all the posts associated with that location. Browse through the post and tap on any one you like to view. Another way of exploring this is using the map to zoom in or zoom out and select the location you're interested in. Maybe a bar or a restaurant, and that way you can see what is available to see in the location. And that is what the new Instagram map feature is about and how to use it. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.